Welcome to the in front of me TCL TAB Max, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's open the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with the new one. So I'll create a new screen. And now just hold for a while your device screen and you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once on the widgets, and now we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add to our device home screen. For example, here we can see the weather, 4 widgets of the weather application, only one from sound recorder, 3 from the Google app, contacts and clocks is also on the one, the Chrome 4. And for example, let's use the calendar widget here, so we can see here the month view and the shadow. So let's use the shadow. Just hold it and drag it to add the widget to your device home screen. Just to change the size of the widget, hold it and also make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple to do. And just to save to change the position of the widget, just hold it and also just drag it to the left or to the right side with our finger. If you want to move the widgets between the screens, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag it by this way. And if you want to create a new screen with the widget, you can also do it by the same way. Just hold and move it here to the right side and you'll create a new screen with a widget. And if you want to remove the widget from the home screen, hold and drag it here to this app section to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.